Hello, welcome to the last module of this week, and the name of this module is Types of Campaign Goals and Bidding Strategies. Before we jump to the practical aspect of Google Ads, it's very important to understand various types of campaign goals and the bidding strategies. So under this module, you will specifically learn what are campaign goals, what are various types of campaign goals, what is bidding strategy, and what are various types of bidding strategies. So as usual, if you have to start any online marketing campaign, you have to specify your marketing goals. Whether you are planning to start your campaign on Google Ads or any other social media platforms. So similarly, before you start your campaign on Google Ads, you have to specify your campaign goals. Rest of the settings and options will appear based on the goal set by you in the Google Ads. Therefore, it is very important to select an appropriate campaign goal under the Google Ads. So let us try to understand what are various types of campaign goals that you can set under Google Ads. So what are campaign goals? In simple words, campaign goals are your ultimate objectives that you want to achieve from your ads. It may be simply to increase the awareness of your brand, or to bring the traffic to your website, or to increase the sale of your product. Selecting a goal will ease your decision making when you create a campaign in Google Ads. It will guide you to specific features designed to help your campaign succeed. This is very important feature in Google Ads regarding setting of goals. You can add or remove the goal at any time if you want. Moreover, if you are confident, you may start your campaign even without setting up any campaign goal. There are different types of campaigns in Google Ads. Based on your campaign objectives, these will be prompted, and accordingly you can select out of these. We will discuss about all these campaigns in the respective modules. First, let us discuss various types of goals of Google Ads. These are sales, leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, and lastly the app campaigns. First, we have the sales goals. Suppose you are selling product or services. Obviously, you would like to increase your sale of the product. Then, this goal would be an appropriate to select. It will help you to drive sales or conversions online, in app, by phone, or even in store. Engage with customers who have already contacted you or very close to making a purchase decision. Then we have leads. In this type of goal, your ultimate objective is not the sale, but to have leads only, so that later on you may target them for sales or for conversions. Such type of goals will encourage relevant customers to express their interest in your product or services by signing up for a newsletter or providing their contact information. Website traffic. You may not be dealing in product and services, but you want to increase the traffic to your website just like the bloggers. In such cases, it is better to set website traffic as a goal in the Google ad campaign. It will help you to drive potential customers to visit your website. Then we have product and brand consideration. Rather than focusing on sales, suppose you want the customer should explore your product and services more. Then you may set this goal. Here you will encourage the potential customers to explore what you offer, and you will educate the people what makes your product or services unique. Brand awareness and reach. If you have just started your business or a website, then this is the goal that you have to set. It will increase the awareness of your product and services and introduce the customers to what you offer when releasing the new product or expanding your businesses into new era. So this was the brief introduction to campaign goals in the Google Ads. Just go for all goals and try to explore them and choose the best one for your business. There is another point here. In Google Ads, there are different types of campaigns such as search campaign, display campaigns, mobile campaigns, video campaigns, and so on.